Hi, this is Dan Shore with TOA Electronics. I'm here to show you the VX series from TOA. This is our large audio distribution system. The frame you see here is a VX-3000 It includes 4 amplifier slots. There are 3 frames in the series, allowing up to 64 switching zones per frame if you use the VX-3016F. Each frame contains the same DSP, and each frame has 4 mic, line, or ANC inputs on the frame. The last slot on each frame is available as a standby amplifier. The amplifiers themselves are available in 100, 200, and 350 watt at 70 volt, or if you're using 100 volt, it is 150, 300, and 500 watts. The paging stations connect directly to the frame. Everything is monitored on this system. We have an emergency paging system station called the RM200SF. You can get extensions for it with 20 extra buttons per, with an additional 3 extensions available. The RM300X is emergency or general paging, and the RM500 is general paging only. So, that's a quick overview of the VX-3000 system. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Dan Shore with TOA Electronics. Thank you for viewing.